Okay, Jorge. I know you're gonna. Hold on a second. I know you're gonna bitch about this video because I didn't get the green screen up yet. I haven't done shit with it yet. But I got more stuff. So I have the GoPro 7 Silver. And now I have the GoPro 7 Black, which is actually pretty cool. So now I got two of those. So I'll give you an unboxing video. So, not opened yet. So, fuck off. Let's open this fucker up. It probably won't work because it's not charged in. So, you open it up, you get the little boxy thing. Pop this little fucker out. Oh, there it is. Yay. So, in the box, let's open this fucker up. Is it all this in there? Yeah. You open up the box without trying to wrap it, in case I gotta return it. Open. Yep. Alright, unboxing video. Yay, fun. How boring. Okay, so what do we got in here? Ow! Fingers! Okay. A couple other boxes in here. Oh wait, I didn't show you the GoPro. This is the GoPro 7, the black. It's got a little LED thing, touch screen in the back. GoPro Black 7, Happy Horse, shit like that. And in the box is just probably normal shit. Little stickies for putting shit on. Yeah, whatever. USB 3 cord. Hey, they did. Oh, wait a second. Wait, there's more. Oh, there we go. I want the stickers. Where the hell's. Okay. The, GoPro thing that doesn't tell you anything. Open! Open, you fuck. Yeah. Fuck this. You've already seen me before. Fuck you. I need beer. Oh, shit. Get in there. You've seen me before, so fuck off. Yeah. I don't know this fucking thing. I want my stickers. There we go. Yeah. GoPro dumb manual. GoPro dumbs thing. GoPro stickers. Yay! And beer. Yay me. So this little fucker pops off. I've done this before. This comes with a little handle thingy-majiggy. This goes up or down. I don't remember. That slides off. It goes up. And it slides out. So then there's your GoPro. So I'm not going to be able to play with it for about 2 hours. It needs about 2 hour charging time. But, so I got the 7 silver and the 7 black now. So, don't know what the fuck I'm going to do with it. No fucking idea yet. But, yeah, we'll figure it out. Fuck off!